Are you ready for a revolution in elderly care? Imagine a world where AI robots are changing the game for our elderly loved ones. Introducing Robot Caretakers, an innovative solution that is transforming the way we care for seniors. These intelligent robots are designed to provide companionship, assistance, and support to the elderly. With advanced AI technology, robot caretakers can monitor vital signs, remind seniors to take their medication, and even engage in stimulating conversations. They are always there to lend a helping hand when needed. But it's not just about practical assistance. These robots also offer emotional support and companionship to combat loneliness and isolation among the elderly. Robot caretakers are revolutionizing elderly care by providing personalized and round-the-clock attention, ensuring that our seniors receive the care and companionship they deserve. Join us in embracing this groundbreaking technology and revolutionizing the way we care for our elderly loved ones. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates on robot caretakers and other innovative solutions in healthcare.